Hello, and a quick update on the Vietnam M113 diorama. Sorry for any noise in the background, but we've had loads of work done here at Scale War Machines HQ, including a remodel, and we're working on the workbench area as well, with a complete workshop remodel. So it's been an absolute bomb site with not much modelling done, hence why we haven't released a video every 2 weeks as we try to do. The M113 diorama is pretty much done. The model is virtually complete, just needs a few little tiny details here and there. The figures are painted. We need to work on the oxen and add a few more bits of vegetation here and there, and a little bit of work needs to be done on the diorama, but it's practically done. So the final part of this diorama build will be released very shortly. Now obviously we'll try and do that, what with everything that's going on, so no guarantees, but it's all shot and will be edited at some point in the near future. But here's a video we made of two lovely lockdown ladies by Life Miniatures. We've started the build on these figures, but here's the review. Anyway, thanks for following the channel, and here we go. Hello and welcome to another review from Scale War Machines. We've been sent more samples from Hysterex agents, this time from Life Miniatures. And we have looked at Life Miniatures before and the quality was excellent. Without further ado, let's remove the wrapping. And here they all are. First of all, it's worth saying they're all from the fictional universe, a dystopian, sci-fi and post-apocalyptic wasteland. They're all different characters from this imagined universe, so if you're into your sci-fi or your post-apocalyptic stuff, this could be for you. They're certainly very different. Let's take a look. This half cyborgy queen is reference LMFUB003. That's 1/10 scale. Definitely eye-catching. We'll take a look in the box in a second. This one is Violence Under the Skin. Again, it's a sort of androidy cyborgy, can you call it that? Half humanoid machine. You can see here that there are various mechanical arm elements building into this almost insect-like upper bust figure. Violence Under the Skin, LMFUB005 1/12 scale. This one, with all the tattoos and artwork, is interesting. This is Mirai, a humanoid cyborg assassin from 2074. So this assassin is also 1/12 scale, Mirai. Then these were particularly appealing to us. These are sort of post-apocalyptic figures. A female cut off just above the knee with a rucksack and an AK, clearly navigating her way through this post-apocalyptic wasteland. It's called Stand Alone, which is a great title. LMFUB002, that's 1/12 scale. Seemingly from the same universe, this, with a hint of zombies there, is called Surrounded, and that speaks well to this young female clutching a puppy. You can see that they're computer designed renders here, so it's highly likely that this is designed in a computer or scanned in a computer. Anyway, let's take a look. We'll start off with Surrounded. They're all very sturdily packed, as you'd expect. There are all the hands, including 3 zombie hands. Very nicely moulded. Let's have a look at the face. Very good rendering of the hair and a lovely expression. Cleanly moulded, of course, you'd expect that. What else we got? The puppy in 2 parts. The base, pedestal, sling. The main torso here. That's beautifully sculpted. That's going to be great fun. It's just so cleanly moulded. Really, really nice. Let's have a look at the rucksack. Yeah, some sort of modern rucksack. That fits on really snugly. Very nice. That certainly is screaming, just paint me. Okay, let's move on to the next one. This is Stand Alone. The AK. Very cleanly moulded indeed. The arms and legs. Smooth and exempt of bubbles. Nice rucksack. Ah, there's the main bit. Ah, all moulded together, that's interesting. Very well sculpted indeed. Love the hair detail. You get a sense of the size of the figure there. Let's take out one or two bits so you get a better look. Those are the legs. There's great location marks there that will really help, and the pouring plugs aren't too bad, so they should be fairly easy to remove. Just so cleanly cast. This is going to be a spectacular 3/4 figure. So I'll just put all those elements back in. Quickly have a glance at this one, Mirai. Wow, that's just so well moulded. That's certainly going to be fascinating to paint. Look at the box art, you can see how it all goes together. We'll pick one more item, the face. We won't do all of these in super detail because of limited time, but that will be a spectacular figure. Absolutely amazing. This is the violence under the skin figure. You see some cyborg arms. Let's take a look at those. And you've got the half-human cyborgy type arms. Nice. This is just spectacular. This is something really tempting to paint, something like this. It's just so different. So this is the Queen, kind of channeling a sort of kimono style geisha girl aesthetic. Let's have a look at this. Again, the moulding is just exemplary, it really is. It's almost like plastic, it's incredible. Look at that detail around there. Looks great. And a bunch of other pieces. Again, all exemplary in their moulding. Just before we completed the film, 2 more life miniature references. The latest 2 new releases have arrived from Hysterex Agents. First up is a bust. This is again from the fiction universe. This is called Bad Blood 2. There's a bust version, that's that one, FUB006. And then there's a full figure version, Bad Blood 2, full figure version. This one is 75mm. The other one is 1/12 scale. Let's take a look inside. There immediately you can see how small it is, and you get a good sense of the casting. Meanwhile, this one of course is going to be much bigger. But these are both out now and also available along with all the other ones that we've reviewed. Excellent references from Life Miniatures, really blown away by the quality of the resin and the casting, just absolutely fabulous. Certainly a bit offbeat and different, always interesting to have a whole new universe that someone's created from their own mind, but they make excellent subjects. Hope you've enjoyed the review. These are all available now from Hysterex Agents, so you can get these from them. Thanks a lot for watching, and bye.
Subscribe for our latest videos.